Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings and liking the readings. Do let me know in the comment section how you feel the readings are, so that it will help me to understand if you need something more in the reading or if you are happy with the readings. Now let's see what is there for you today. King of Cups. Though these cards look very different, but it has beautiful energies. The Two of Swords. So let's see what is in store for you. Now when I see the King of Cups, I feel that you are going to enjoy your day today. You may you will be thinking of how to improve your personal life and professional life, how to work on growing your business or bringing in more business to you, and how to make your personal and professional life meet. More like a person who will sit and decide what all has to be done in due course of time, so that your personal life is also balanced and your professional life is also balanced. Why I am using the word balance? Because the Two of Swords is basically here. If you see, you're balancing between two things. You're handling two things at the same time, but you're handling it equally well. If you see here, both looking at each other, it is as if your private life or your personal life is also your priority. Your business right now or your career right now is also your priority, and you're stuck as to what has to be done and how it has to be done. So there's nothing to worry. Today you will sit, you will plan, and you will come out with a beautiful solution as to how both can be handled and how you can work towards it. But let's just pull one more card. Okay, so the red result is King of Pentacles. So you'll again, if you see in this card, there is a two-colored face. So I feel you'll handle both at the same time, make the required money that you're looking at in your finances. So in this whole day, whatever you have planned, the results for that you will come to know in the upcoming days. Maybe in the upcoming few days, you will see that whatever you have planned today has manifested and you have got good results over that. So today I would suggest to wear the color yellow, because I feel you are emotionally having an upswing. So yellow color is good for you. At the same time, if possible in the morning, do hear Shri Suktam, because finances is something which is troubling you. So hear the Shri Suktam from YouTube and start your day. Wear the color yellow in the evening if possible. When you're coming back, feed a stray animal or donate something to some poor person, so that blessings come back to you multifold. Have a blessed day.